I'm back, guys, because that was just part 1. It's part 2 time. Getting my lips real close to the camera there. Wawa. American runs on Wawa.
They're reusing the cups to plant things.
This is why recycling is good.
Zoom out.
Okay. Well, I just wanted to show them my lips for
Where
a
do you want to
second.
go?
Let's go through the forbidden gate
Can't go there.
of Narnia.
Maybe
Tail
this gate.
of the dragonfly, native plants, plants for wildflowers.
Did you hear that? Like, that's a motorcycle. I thought it was like a bomb. A bomb. Together forever.
Back in early America, the Native Americans rode motorcycles through the plains.
I can't see you because like the sun's like making your face black. Like I have to like. They're not so little anymore. My babies are growing up so fast.
Kind of reminds me of the thing in Nightmare Before Christmas.
What's that?
The hill in Nightmare Before Christmas when he walks on it and then it unfolds, but it like is crawled up like that.
Oh, what's his ghost dog?
Yeah.
Leonard?